Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A36. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And here you have to select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And now you have to select your toolbar placement and then click save and continue. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.